Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. Today's tutorial is going to cover the Kara Yatsu flat kumihimo braid. This one has been quite popular for making dog leashes, but you can use it for bracelets, dog collars, all sorts of straps. To do our braiding, we're going to be using a kumihimo disc. The second supply is going to be 4 cords. 2, in my case blue ones for the main pattern, and 2, in my case golden ones for the background, so secondary color. We set up our disc by taking each of our cords, folding it in half, placing the middle point to the center of the disc, then hooking in our strands. So this is the first one, then the second one, the third one, and the last, fourth one. So this is our initial setup. When working with 550 paracord, the braiding ratio is about 2 to 1. So each of your 8 ends is going to require 2 feet of cord for a foot of braid. Braiding is done in 5 distinct steps. In step 1, we cross the top 2 strands to the side. In step 2, we cross the bottom 2 strands to the side again. In step 3, we place these 2 strands to the bottom . In step 4, we place these 2 strands to the top . In step 5, we reposition our strands here, one next to the other. So, this was one set of steps. We repeat exactly the same way. So step 1, we cross the top 2 strands. Step 2, we cross the bottom 2 strands. Step 3, we place these 2 strands to the bottom . Step 4, we place these 2 strands to the top . Step 5, reposition your strands one next to the other. So this is the second set of 5 steps. Repeat exactly the same way, braiding a length that you need. So let's do this a few more times. So another set. One more. So that's our braid. You can already see a bit of the pattern forming here at the bottom. Continue the same way. So guys, this concludes our tutorial on the Kara Yatsu, a beautiful yet relatively simple flat kumihimo braid. I would like to sincerely thank you for joining me. Do join me in my future videos as well.